Hello students, welcome to Vidwan Niketan. Are you ready for today's class?
Welcome to Vidyaniketan. In this video, we are going to discuss the volume and surface area of cube and cuboid. So the definition of volume is the space occupied by a body that must be a solid body is called its volume. And for surface area, the sum of areas of all the faces of a body is called its surface area. Now, the body can be regular, the body can be irregular. And example for regular bodies like cube, cuboid, whatever we are going to study in this particular video. But there are also some irregular bodies. So you will obviously find some next videos where we will discuss like how you will calculate the volume and surface area of irregular bodies also. So now before proceeding, we need to learn like the units of volume and surface area. So if the unit is in meter, then for volume it will be meter cube, for surface area it will be meter square. If it is in centimeter, then it will be centimeter cube, centimeter square. If it is in millimeter, then it will be millimeter cube and millimeter square, and so on. So basically for volume, as three dimensions are there, three dimensions, which are they? Like height, length and width. So as three dimensions are there and three dimensions are being multiplied, that's why the volume is in cube format. And for surface area, it is a square format, like a area in which the particular cube or the particular 3D object has its surface, and the amount of the material that the surface has, it is in, we calculate at this using surface area, and this, that's why we have square here. Okay, now cuboid, this is a rectangular solid, and obviously this is one regular figure. And a cuboid is a solid bounded by 6 rectangular faces. Example, brick. The thing that we need to construct our homes, houses and construction buildings, brick, it is basically rectangular in shape, and if you see any brick, you can see there are 6 sides of any brick. So that's why in this figure you can see 6 sides, like this side and this side, two opposite sides, two sides, this side and this side, two opposite sides, and this side and this face side. So ultimately 6 sides are there. So volume of a cuboid, length, this is the length, height, this is the height, and breadth. So length, breadth and height, in some cases you will see breadth is written as width also. So don't get confused, don't be confused. Just length, width and height, or length, breadth and height, all will be in multiplied format to find the volume of the cuboid. And the surface area, total surface area of a cuboid, it is basically nothing but 2 into, here you can see, L into B plus B into H plus H into L. So how you will remember that? Just write L, B, H and do the circle. L into B, L into B, B into H, B into H and H into L. And just multiple this particular formula using 2. So yes, this is one shortcut how you will remember that. So if you know the length, breadth and height, you can get the surface area also. So in this way the surface area is being calculated, and the volume is calculated just by multiplying the three particular dimensions. So this is the particular thing. Now we will move towards a cube. A cube is a rectangular solid whose each face is square. Now example, for example, you can take the example of just cube or Rubik's cube. If you can see, for Rubik's cube, all the other sides are in square shape. So for square, all the sides are same. So here the length is taken as A. So let we have one Rubik's cube and all the sides are of the length A. So this is the thing. Now volume of cuboid is, volume of cuboid was length into breadth into height. So volume of cube will be A into A into A, that is A cube. Volume of cube is the just side to the power whole 3. So this is the volume of cube. And surface area of cube, this is basically, here you can see it is the derivation is there with respect to cuboid, but you can directly use the formula. The surface area will be, we know for cube as well as for cuboid we have 6 surface. Now for one surface, like you can see, for one surface the area is nothing but A square, because this is one just square. So for one surface the area is A square. So for 6 surface the area will be 6A square. So surface area is 6A square unit square, and this is side cube, that is A cube unit cube. So in this way the volume and surface area is determined for cube. Now we will see some example and try to understand this formula. So the first example is, the length, breadth and height of a cuboid are in the ratio of 6:5:4. If its volume is 15,000 centimeter cube, find its dimension and surface area. You can get this type of math very frequently. One thing you need to remember, that is dimension means length, breadth and height. It is a very important thing. If in any math you have been told to find out the dimensions of that particular geometric figure, then you need to find out length, breadth and height. Now length, breadth and height are in proportion. So to cancel out the proportion, the variable x is taken. As you can see, to cancel out the proportion, variable x is taken. So here it is written that the volume is 15,000 centimeter cube. So obviously to do that, 6x into 5x into 4x is equals to nothing but 15,000. This is done here. As you can see, this is done here, and from that particular value the x value is determined, and after finding the value of x, ultimately the length, breadth and height is being calculated. Now the dimension is calculated in this way. As you can see, 6 into 5 30, 5 into 5 25 and 4 into 5 20. So in this way the three values are there. Now we need to find out the surface area. So the formula for surface area, as I have already told, like L, B, H, and it is in a circle. So if it is in a circle, we need to give it a twice figure. So 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L. So in this way the same thing is done here. As you can see, the same thing is done here. So the formula is here. One more thing, for this particular chapter the calculation is very important, and many students just they do everything correct, but they give the wrong thing they do is the calculation part. So be very attentive while you are doing mensuration problems, volume and surface area problems, because calculation is very important in this particular problems. Now next problem we will do. The total surface area of a cube is 294 centimeter square. Find its volume. So surface area of a cube, so I am doing this in this way. Let the side of the cube be A. So here the unit is given, so we will put unit also. So A centimeter. So the surface area is, so the surface area is 6A square centimeter square. Just we have done this problem. So according to the question, 6A square is equals to 294. So A square equals to 294 divided by 6. So A square equals to 49, or you can see A equals to 7. Now the side of the cube is 7. Now we need to find out the volume. So now it is very easy, because volume, this is equals to a cube is equals to 7 cube, so it is nothing but 343 centimeter cube. So this problem is done. So these are the very easy problem. Just you need to remember the formula, and you need to visualize the figure in your head, in your brain. So that was the problem. Now we will move towards the second problem. Just see, a rectangular solid of metal has dimensions 50 centimeter, 64 centimeter and 72 centimeter. It is melted and recast into identical cubes, each with edge 4 centimeter. Find the number of cubes formed. It means there was a metal, rectangular metal, and after melting that particular metal, the cube is originated, and the dimension of cube is 4 centimeter. So basically the volume, this problem is for the volume. So if we melt to one rectangular solid, so it will give its volume first. So then now it means the volume of each cube formed. So first volume of the rectangular solid. So this is nothing but 50 into 64 into 72 centimeter cube. Now the fact is, this is the complete volume, and volume of one cubical solid, this is nothing but 4 cube. So number of cubes will be nothing but this divided by this. So 50 into 64 into 72 divided by 4 cube. So here no unit will be there, because it is in centimeter cube. This is also in centimeter cube, so they will be cancelled out. So from here you can get the answer to be 3600. So as you can see, the numbers, the values, the multiplication, these are like big in figure. That's why you need to do the calculation in a very proper way. Okay, so in next video we will discuss some next problems, and then we will move towards the exercise. Thank you for watching Vidya Niketan. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.